Double trailer truck.
This is a double trailer truck. It's a super long truck that carries 2 trailers at once. It's used to carry really big and heavy stuff. Pretty cool, right?
Mobile crane.
This is a mobile crane. It's a truck with a long arm that can lift heavy things, like buildings or huge machines. It's like a truck with super strong arms.
Livestock truck.
This is a livestock truck. It carries animals, like cows or goats, to the market or the farm. It has special spaces to keep the animals safe during the ride.
Heavy-duty vehicle.
A heavy-duty vehicle is a super strong truck. It can carry really heavy things, like big machines or building materials. This truck is built tough.
Logging truck.
This is a logging truck. It carries logs, big tree trunks, from the forest to the sawmill. It has special racks to hold the long logs in place.
Logistics truck.
A logistics truck delivers important stuff to places far away, like packages or big boxes. These trucks help bring the things we order online right to our door.
Haul truck.
This is a haul truck. It's a giant truck that carries rocks or minerals from the ground. These trucks are super strong. They can carry tons of heavy stuff.
Fire truck ladder.
This is the truck with a huge ladder that can go up really high. The fire truck ladder helps firefighters fight fires in tall buildings and rescue people from high floors. This truck is super important for keeping everyone safe.
Tanker truck.
This is a tanker truck. It carries liquids like gasoline or water. The big tank on the back keeps everything safe and secure during the ride.
Garbage truck.
This is a garbage truck. It picks up trash from the streets and takes it to the dump. It's super important to keep our neighborhoods clean.
Mixer truck.
This is a mixer truck. It carries cement in a big rotating drum on the back. The drum keeps mixing the cement so it doesn't harden while it's driving.
Tractor head.
This is a tractor head. It's the front part of a truck that pulls a huge trailer behind it. It doesn't carry anything itself, but pulls other trucks that do.
Dump truck.
This is a dump truck. It carries dirt or sand, and the back part can lift up so the stuff falls out. It's used for building roads or construction projects.
Car carrier.
This is a car carrier. It carries new cars from the factory to car dealerships. It's like a big truck full of shiny new cars.
Police SUV.
This is a police SUV. It's used by the police to chase bad guys or help people in emergencies. It has bright flashing lights to warn people.
Pickup truck.
Last but not least, this is a pickup truck. It's a small truck that can carry a lot of stuff, like furniture or bikes. It's perfect for long trips and hauling things.